Welcome to another episode of Math Class with Sir Ron. Learn Math in Easy Way. Today's topic is about infinite geometric series. So infinite means walang katapusan, ano? But the question is it possible to get the sum of an infinite number of terms in a geometric sequence? Pwede po kaya nakukunin po natin ang sum to infinity? So halimbawa po dito is 1 half plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1 over 16 plus, okay, up to infinity. So, ibig sabihin, walang katapusan po yung kanyang terms na i-add. So, pwede po natin siyang sabihin na may karugtong pa yan na 1 over 32, 1 over 64, plus 1 over 128, and so on. Pwede po kaya nakunin po ang sum to infinity? Now, the answer in the question is it a yes or a no po? Okay, the answer po in the question is yes. Pwede po, no? Pwede po na kunin po ang sum to infinity ng isang geometric sequence. Posible po 'yon. Kaya lang po meron pong kailangan na value po ang common ratio para ho magkaroon po ng sum to infinity. So hindi po lahat pwede, no? So ito po yung example lang po natin na to na geometric sequence 1 half, 1/4, 1/8, 1 over 16 plus infinity. Sa case po na to, yes, possible po. Prove po natin gamit po ang number line. Ayan. So we have a number line. Ito po yung distance po ni 0 to 1. So ito po si 0 sa number line, ito po si 1. So yung length po ni nung line segment po na to from 0 to 1, of course, ano po yung kanyang haba? So yung haba po mula dito, okay, mula po dito hanggang doon, of course, ang length po niyan ay 1, tama po? So pag kinalahati po natin siya, pag kinalahati, so of course yung part po na to mula dito, ayan, mula po dito hanggang doon, mula po dito hanggang dito po sa part po na to, ang length po naman yan ay 1 half. Tama? Pag kinalahati pa po yan, mula dito hanggang dito, that's 1/4 naman. Pag kinalahati pa po, si 1/4, mula po doon hanggang doon, that's 1/8. Pag kinalahati pa po, 1 over 16. Pag kinalahati pa po ito, so meron ka pa pong 1 over 32. So, pansinin po ninyo, pwede ka po ditong maghati, ng maghati, dun po sa may part po na to, up to infinity. So, ano po ang magiging sum kung sakali po na pinag-plus-plus po natin to? So, 1 half, plus 1/4, plus 1 over 8, plus 1 over 16, plus yung infinite po, no, na pagkakahati po dito. Ayan, what will be the sum? So, base po dun sa nakikita natin, since ang pinagmulan po niyan ay from 0 to 1, therefore, ang sum to infinity of 1 half, 1/4, 1/8, 1 over 16 is definitely equal to 1. So, pinakita ko po sa isang video ko po kung paano pa po ang another proof why the sum to infinity exists. So, let's discuss the next part. So, this time, I will be introducing to you another formula. The sum of the terms of an infinite geometric series is given by the formula. Ang formula po natin is S equals A sub 1 all over 1 minus R. Kailan po nagkakaroon ng sum to infinity? Nagkakaroon lamang po ng sum to infinity kung sakali po na, ito po, I would like to emphasize this, ang common ratio po natin ay ito, the common ratio is less than 1 but greater than negative 1. Sa makatuwid, dapat po ang common ratio po ay positive proper fraction o kaya negative proper fraction. Exemption na po siyempre na 0 kasi bawal naman na ang common ratio mo ay 0. Okay, so again, our formula, the sum to infinity equals A sub 1 all over 1 minus R. Now, let's apply the formula to the following examples. Okay, example 1. What is the sum to infinity of the infinite geometric sequence 1 half, 1/4, 1 over 8, 1 over 16, and so on? So dito po, sulat po muna natin yung ating given. Given in the problem. Okay? So, given in the problem, a sub 1 is equal, okay, ayun po yung a sub 1 natin, binigay. So, a sub 1 is equal to 1/2. Okay, what do you think is our common ratio? By observation na lamang po. 1/2, tapos naging 1/4. 1/4, tapos naging 1/8. 1/8, naging 1/16. So, evidently po, ang common ratio po natin dito ay tina-times po siya ng 1/2. Ayan, kita naman po kaagad. So, common ratio is also 1/2. So, ang nawawala po natin this time ay sum to infinity. So, ang symbol na po na gagamitin natin ay S for sum to infinity. So, S is missing. By the way po, sa ibang references ko po na nabasa, gumagamit po sila ng symbol na S, tapos meron po silang nakasub na infinity symbol sa ilalim. So, parehas lang po yan. Yung sum to infinity po na to, at saka yung S po na gamit natin, they imply the same, no? Pero this time, ang gagamitin na lang po natin is yung S na lang, imbis na S, tapos nakasub po yung infinity. So, S is missing. So, what's the formula for sum to infinity? Our formula is S equals a sub 1 all over 1 minus r. Okay, dito po, pwede po nating magamit yung ating formula kasi po, ang ating common ratio ay 1/2. Remember po kanina, diniscuss natin na ang common ratio dapat natin must be less than 1 but greater than -1. Or sa madaling sabi, proper fraction na positive or negative. Okay, so pwede po siyang kunan ng sum to infinity. So substitute na po natin. S equals, ang a sub 1 po natin is 1/2. So fraction all over, okay, so 1 minus, ang common ratio po natin is also a proper fraction. So ayan. So ang lumabas po, naging complex fraction na po siya. Okay, so what is S equals 1/2 all over 1 minus 1/2. So, sisimplify na po natin itong complex fraction po na to. So, simplify po muna natin yung nandun sa bandang ilalim kasi mas complex, mas complicated po yung part po na to. What is 1 minus 1/2? So, syempre, gamitan mo lang ng common sense. 1, bawasan mo ng kalahati, o isang buo, bawasan mo ng kalahati. The answer is 1/2, di ba? Pero pwede po nating sabihin na ito pong 1, manghiram po tayo, gawin po natin siyang 2 over 2. Ayan, para mapag-minus natin. Kasi di ba sa fraction, pag parehas ang numerator at denominator, equal siya lagi sa 1. So, gagayahin natin yung denominator dito na 2 para mapag-minus natin. Okay, so ito po magiging S equals 1/2. Ayan, 1/2 all over. So, 2 over 2 minus 1/2. So, ito po similar fractions na. So, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Tapos, kokopyahin po yung common din na, hindi po ito pagmaminusin, ano? Kokopyahin lang po. So, magiging, ayan. So, 2 over 2 minus 1/2, that is equal to 1/2 pa rin. So, ayan. Ang nangyari po dito, nagkaroon po tayo ng 1/2 over 1/2. Sulat lang po natin, rewrite po natin dito. So, naging 1/2 over 1/2. O, what is 1/2 over 1/2? So, tuturo ko po sa inyo yung technique paano po ito isi-simplify. Ang technique ko pong ginagawa po dito is pinagta-times ko po yung nasa pinakataas at saka po yung nasa pinakababa. Next naman po, pinagta-times ko po yung dalawa pong numbers na nasa pinakaloob. So, apply po natin. So, S equals, okay, S equals, okay, yung nasa pinakataas, 1 times yung nasa pinakababa. What is 1 times 2? Very good, that is equal to 2. So, yung product po nun, isusulat nyo po sa taas. Next, yung nasa pinakaloob naman, 2 times 1. So, 2 times 1, that is equal to 2. Ayan. And what is 2 divided by 2? Very good. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So, na-prove natin na 1 nga talaga ang sagot. So, the sum to infinity is equal to 1. Ganun po dali yung ating topic today. Okay? So, sana po ay naintindihan si example number 1. Let's proceed to example number 2. What is the sum to infinity of the infinite geometric sequence 1/5, 1 over 15, 1 over 45, and so on? So, still, ang hinahanap po ay sum to infinity. Okay? Since sum to infinity po, halos the same po sa dati nating ginagawa, sulat po muna natin yung ating given in the problem. For the given, okay, our a sub 1 is equal to what? Ayun, binigay na kagad as a sequence. A sub 1 is 1/5. What about our common ratio this time? By observation po, hanapin natin common ratio. So, 1/5 naging 1 over 15, 1 over 15 naging 1 over 45. So, by observation, kita po kagad na ang common ratio po natin ay 1/3. So, R is equal, sorry about that. Okay. So, R is equal to 1/3. Okay. Ang nawawala po natin is the sum to infinity. So, solve po natin. Para po mahanap po si sum to infinity, we need to use the formula. Sum to infinity is equal to a sub 1 all over 1 minus r. So, let's substitute. So, s equals, ang a sub 1 po natin ay 1/5. So, magiging 1/5 all over 1 minus, yung r po natin ay 1/3. Ayan. So, naging complex fraction na naman po siya. Okay, so subtract po muna natin yung nasa bandang ilalim. Okay, so paano po natin siya isusubtract? Ito po. What is 1 minus 1/3? Dahil ang denominator po natin ay 3, so i-change po natin si 1 into 3 over 3. O, ganun lang po kadali. Okay? So, kopyahin po. So, yung taas, di pa tayo nag-simplify. Okay na siya. So, 1/5 all over. What is 3 over 3 minus 1/3? So, 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Copy the denominator 3. Yan. Continue na po natin yung ating solution. Okay, so we now have S, sulat lang po natin, is equal to 1/5 all over 2/3. Paano po ulit natin to isi-simplify? So, yung tekniko po na itinuro kanina. So, S equals, so una pong gagawin, i-times po yung nasa pinakataas at saka po yung nasa pinakababa. Okay, what is 1 times 3? Okay, 1 times 3, that is equal to 3 all over. Next naman po, i-times po yung dalawang nasa loob. 5 times 2, okay, 5 times 2, that is equal to 10. Okay, so therefore, the sum to infinity is 3 over 10. Dito po, posible po na kunin ang sum to infinity because our common ratio is 1/3. So, pasok po siya sa range na less than 1 but greater than negative 1. Okay. Next, let's have another example. Example number 3. Let us find the sum of the infinite geometric sequence 2, negative 8, 32, and so on. So, sum to infinity pa rin po ang nawawala po dito, no? So, sulat po natin yung ating given. So, yung ating pong given po in the problem. Okay, our a sub 1 is equal to 2. Our common ratio equals. So, tingnan po natin by observation. So, 2 naging negative 8. Negative 8 naging 32. So, ano po ang ating common ratio in this case? So, 2 tapos naging negative 8. So, ang multiplier ay siguro baka negative 4. pag dinivide natin, negative 8 divide 2, negative 8 divided by 2, that is equal to negative 4. Okay, ang nawawala po ay sum to infinity. Okay, tingnan po natin. Ang common ratio po natin ay negative 4. Tama? Kailangan, para magkaroon ng sum to infinity, dapat ang common ratio ay less than 1 or greater than negative 1. Eh, negative 4 po yung ating common ratio. Hindi siya proper fraction na positive, hindi rin siya proper fraction na negative. Since hindi po siya pasok sa range po na to, ibig sabihin po, wala ho itong answer, no? Since dapat ang R po natin ay nasa pagitan ng 1 at negative 1, the answer here is that. Okay, sulat lang po natin the sum to infinity. Okay, the sum to infinity does not exist. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po posible, no, na makuha po ang sum to infinity pagka ganito po ang case. So, this is our final answer. Pwede lang po natin kasi na makuha ang sum to infinity kapag yung common ratio po natin ay pasok po sa range po na ibinigay po na to. R is less than 1 but greater than negative 1. Or sa madaling sabi, ang common ratio po ay proper fraction na positive or negative. Okay, sana po maliwanag po yung example number 3. Okay, we are now on our last example. Let us determine the sum of an infinite geometric sequence 9, 3, 1, and so on. Judge din po natin kung ito po ba ay may common ratio na pasok po dun sa may range. So, ganun pa rin po yung nawawala dito. Sum of an infinite geometric sequence. So, ibig sabihin, sum to infinity. Sulat po natin yung ating given, the problem. So, given. Okay, our a sub 1 is equal to 9. Okay, tama. What do you think is our common ratio? So, dito na po malalaman kung pwede ba siyang kunan ng sum to infinity. So, by observation, 9 naging 3, 3 naging 1. So, medyo mahirap, ano? Makita ng observation. So, divide po natin. So, ang common ratio po natin will be 3 divided by 9. So, magiging 3 divided by 9. Pag ni-lowest term po yan, that is equal to 1/3. So, ibig sabihin, ang common ratio po natin in this case is 1/3. Dahil 1/3 po yan, si 1/3 po ay proper fraction na positive, posible po na makuha ang sum to infinity. So, kasama po, pwede po si sum to infinity. Our formula is S equals A sub 1 all over 1 minus R. So, substitute nyo lang po. S equals, si A sub 1 po, magiging 9 all over, so 1 minus 1/3. Ayan. So, ito po dahil 3 po ang ating denominator, papalitan nyo lang po si 1 ng 3 over 3 para mapag-minus. So, magiging 9 all over, so ito pong si 1, magiging 3 over 3 para po mapag-minus po natin. Okay? So, 3 over 3 minus 1/3. Ano po ang answer? So, ito po magiging 2 over 3. Okay? So, S now equals, ang main fraction line po natin, ito po yung pinakamahaba. Ibig sabihin, ang numerator po natin ay 9. A whole number. Tama? Ang denominator po natin ay 2/3. Take note na lahat po ng whole numbers ay mayroong denominator na 1. So, pwede po natin itong i-rewrite into 9 over 1. Okay? So, 9 over 1 all over 2 over 3. Yan. So, yun po yung pwede po natin na gawin. Tuloy po natin dito po sa side po na to. So, i-times na po natin. Okay, what is 9 times 3? Okay, very good. 9 times 3. So, that is equal to 27 all over. Next naman po, nasa loob, 1 times 2. So, 1 times 2 po, that is equal to 2. So, therefore, our answer is 27 over 2. Pero check nyo po yung answer nyo po lagi, no? Kung naka-lowest term ba. Si 27 over 2 ba ay naka-lowest term na? Okay, yes, naka-lowest term na po si 27 over 2. Therefore, the sum to infinity is 27 over 2. I hope nagkaintindihan tayo sa topic involving infinite geometric series. Thank you for watching.